G'day Australia, I'm Korum E and today I'm at AudioCom in Balcatta. The boys have just fitted this amazing set of JBL 6x9 speakers to a Nissan Navara D40. Now, before they're about to throw the door back on, I wanted to show you just how this works, because in the D40 Navara, you've got this interesting situation where the factory speaker is not a regular old 6-inch like a lot of cars, but it is a 6x9 oval speaker mount in the door from factory. So this lets you put a, oops, sorry, forget my hand in front of the lens. This lets you put a bigger, stronger, better sounding 6x9 speaker in the door for a good solid bass result. Couple this with a good powerful small amplifier and you get a really good solid rumble out of your SUV style size cabin without having to put or dual cab size cabin rather, without having to put a subwoofer in. Because the 6x9 is a big speaker and well powered, it will move a lot of air and make a lot of sound. So when you're looking for an upgrade, get on over to universalfuse.com.au and you'll find in the Nissan section, you'll find 6x9 speaker upgrades like this amazing pair of JBLs, which will drop straight into the factory location. Now this particular vehicle didn't have the factory tweeters fitted up in the dash, but we do have 6x9 splits available as well from Focal Car Audio, which has the 6x9-inch mid-bass driver for down in the door and then the matching tweeter to go up on the dash to give you a fully active split speaker system that's giving you a lot more dynamic sound. By bringing those high frequency tweeter sounds up closer to your ear level, you'll get a much nicer sound than just the single speaker down in the door. So if you're looking for a great speaker upgrade for your Nissan Navara, get on over to universalfuse.com.au, click on the Navara icon and it'll bring up all the speaker options. These are completely plug and play. We'll ship it with a little plug and play adapter so that the unique Nissan connector on the back of your speaker will clip straight onto the new speaker, giving you a hassle-free installation. All you need to do is pull the door trim off, which is actually quite simple. A couple of fasteners in the door handle, one fastener up here behind the door latch, and just looking around, the rest looks to be clips here, and then you've got the door trim off. You can fit the new speaker, refit the door trim, boom, instant better sound. Add an amplifier to that, much stronger again. And if you are amplifying, make sure you get yourself the Elite speaker install kit to put in and around the speaker to give a bit of sound deadening that will help project the sound into the cabin more. Thank you for watching. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and I'll see you again soon.